One of the first steps in finding the perfect side hustle is understanding your unique skill set and interests. Everyone has something to offer, whether it's a natural talent, a hobby you're passionate about, or a professional skill you've honed over the years. Start by making a list of what you enjoy doing. This could include everything from crafting and cooking to writing and coding. Recognizing your interest will help you narrow down potential side hustles that not only appeal to you but also have the potential to thrive in the marketplace. Next, assess your skills. Consider both hard skills, like graphic design or web development, and soft skills, such as communication or problem solving. Reflect on your professional experiences and identify what comes naturally to you. For instance, if you've consistently excelled in customer service roles, there's a strong possibility that a side project related to consulting or freelance support could be a good fit. Think about your existing hobbies. Activities you do for fun can often translate into money-making ventures. If you enjoy photography, consider selling your photos online or offering photography services. Similarly, if you love fitness, maybe personal training or creating workout plans could be your calling. Finally, take some time for self-reflection. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited in your free time? The intersection of your skills and passions often reveals the most promising side hustle opportunities, allowing you to pursue something fulfilling while also earning extra income. To further refine your side hustle options, consider conducting a skills inventory. Begin by categorizing your abilities into 3 primary areas: technical skills, creative skills, and interpersonal skills. Technical skills encompass anything that involves specific knowledge or expertise, such as programming or digital marketing. Creative skills include writing, art, or design, while interpersonal skills pertain to your ability to connect and communicate with others, including negotiation and leadership. By understanding where your strengths lie, you can tailor your side hustle strategy accordingly. Additionally, don't shy away from seeking input from friends, family, or colleagues. Sometimes those closest to you can offer valuable insights into your strengths that you may overlook. Ask for feedback on